Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you will fine. First of all, thanks to the person who subscribed my channel and request other people to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Today I am drawing an amazing video with number 2. This is very easy video, so watch the full video. And viewers, I have something to tell you. I need money to support my family, but I can't go outside my home to work. So I have created a YouTube channel where I am uploading drawing videos. I really need your support. Please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Your support is very important for my channel growth. Thank you once again.